What's up YouTube? So ani agad scenario diri. Volkswagen Polo 09 model. Bumagsak ito sa in-city, no? Dahil sa mausok yung kanyang series. Mausok. Sobrang usok po. Bumagsak sa in-city. Mausok yung kanyang sasakyan. So pagka mausok ng mga sasakyan, there are few things and obviously a lot of things to be considered. One, fuel injector, auto sensor, either clog air filter, and then dirty oil, and a lot of things, or clog DPF. And then when it comes to servicing, ito siya, nagpapaservice naman ito siya on time. Tinignan natin yung air filter, malinis pa yung air filter. So tinanong ko siya, before ka pumunta ng in-city, na-drive mo ba yung sasakyan ng 30 minutes to 1 hour before mo siya pinasok sa in-city, or yung sasakyan before mo ipasok sa in-city. So sabi niya, pagdating niya galing Pinas, 1 month from 1 month vacation, pagdating niya galing Pinas, pina-in-city kaagad yung sasakyan. Sabi ko, no. Ang sasakyan obviously is maganda, in good form ang sasakyan. The wrong thing, the procedure is wrong. Because kailangan, ang mga diesel cars guys, ang mga diesel cars, kailangan kasi itong i-drive ng mga long distance, no? Like 30 minutes driving to 1 hour before mo siya ipasok sa in-city. Ang rason, para permanenteng mainit yung kanyang makina in order to burn gases that inside the combustion chamber up to the DPF. So the DPF has to be like super hot to burn excess gases, unborn gases. So ang paraan yan is kailangan mo siyang i-drive ng 30 minutes to 1 hour before mo siya ipasok sa in-city. And then pag nasa in-city area na kayo, testing center, in-city testing center, do not turn off the engine. Let the engine keep the engine running. So when the inspector arrived and he put out into the in-city testing center inside, and then he will test the emission for smoke detections or whatever. So ang gagawin lang natin ito is linis-linisan lang natin. Wala tayong bibilhin. Linis-linisan lang natin yung kanyang mga system, yung kanyang throttle body, linis-linisan, EGR, and then auto sensor. If necessary to linis the auto sensor, you're gonna linis also the auto sensor. And then sometimes yung mga adjectives, no, nakakatulong din po itong mga adjectives na ito na para bumaba yung kanyang emission, like so there are a lot of fuel adjectives na para pag slow down ng smoke, no, na which is nakakatulong din. But I'm not mentioning type of brand of the like fuel additives. So wala tayong bibilhin. We just clean the system, the recirculation, the EGR, clean, fuel injector check, auto sensor check, air filter check, and the engine oil has to be checked as well. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we will see, ipasok natin sa NCT and we will see kung papasabay ito. After all, ma-drive siya ng mga 30 minutes to 1 hour. We'll see. And then once you done the cleaning, like if you are going to like a vacation and then you come back and you're going to like book an NCT, and when you see here, pagpakita ko sa inyo, when you see that there, so the fuel has to be replaced as well, the fuel, because yung fuel is meron ding expiration itong fuel, no? So advise natin siya na ubusin mo na tong fuel, like has to run until the fuel go down to the very lowest level, and then replace with fresh fuel. Kasi yung fuel, napapanis po ito. Once napapanis po yung fuel, isa din po ito na makakasira, no, ng kanyang emission system, kaya mag smoke siya. And then in relation to that, the glue plugs as well, the glue plugs has to be checked, because if the glue plugs, yung mga diesel engine kasi is heat reduction ito, I mean heat compression, no? Ang nagdadala ng kanyang heat compression is the glue plugs. So if the glue plugs is like hindi siya magbabaga kagad, is or not really turning red hot in milliseconds once you turn on the key, then hindi po niya kayang sunugin yung fuel doon sa combustion chamber if the glue plugs is very weak. So the glue plugs is also serviceable. The glue plugs has also like 3 years, 4 years lifespan, more or less, depends on the brand that you put it on, like so. And then some of the glue plugs that will last longer, no? Some others last longer than your life. But yeah, glue plugs, as I mentioned, glue plugs is also serviceable. Like especially when your car or when your engine are doing hard start, also one of the reasons the glue plug is failing, no? But in this case, the scenario in this case on the NCT is the smoke, only smoke, a lot of smoke coming from the exhaust, no? Kasi ang rason, galing siya ng bakasyon 1 month. After 1 month na bakasyon, umuwi siya dito, and then pina-NCT kagad yung sasakyan, not knowing na yung sasakyan naka-standby lang sa garahe ng mga 1 month. So hindi talaga, wala talaga, o talagang hindi, ibig sabihin hindi luto yung kanyang system, or hindi pag-ready yung kanyang engine to burn enough excess gases or gas particles inside the combustion chamber, because the engine is not warm enough. So again, when you're planning to put up your car on the NCT, make sure that the engine is warm enough, and do not turn off the engine when you are in the NCT testing center. Let the engine running, so the engine is already like ready for the test, emission test or whatever. So again, do not turn off the engine once you are in the NCT area. And then to do that, the engine has to be warm enough. You have to, your car or the engine has to be driven like 30 minutes to 1 hour, driven into the highway. Like I'm advising this, not necessary na you have to make sure also that the road is safe to drive, like there's no snow, there's no traffic, whatever. Like, it is also advisable really, when you have a diesel car, you have to push the accelerator pedal to the floor when you are driving. That will create pole pressure to push out the carbon. Okay, so kasi pag hindi nyo pinush nung accelerator pedal, hindi po mai-push niya yung carbon na namumuo doon sa kanyang DPF system, no? Or yung kanyang sa exhaust system. Hindi niya mai-push yung mga carbon, mga unborn gases. So kailangan yun ma-clear. By doing that, you have to run in the highway, driving 30 minutes to 1 hour full throttle to push out the carbon. Kung marinig nyo yung mga kaskasiro na mga driver, obviously wala silang problema sa mga emission or DPF problem. Ang rason nga is mga kaskasiro nga sila mga kaskasiro. Yun yung mga advantage sa mga kaskasiro. Wala talagang problema sila sa, hindi talaga sila magka-problema sa mga DPF na yan, or mga clog, AGR, whatever. So yan lang po ang solusyon. And then again, once you have like going out from the outside the country, like vacation time, and when you have the old fuel, you need to like let the fuel running to empty the fuel, because that's the old fuel system. And then once it is empty, you gonna put fresh fuel on it before going to the in-city, because ang fuel kasi may expiration din yan. Yung fuel may expiration, napapanis po yan, like when the fuel taking long time and not using it, the mag-oxidant po yan, and then it will turns to like water substance, appearing water substance like moisture, whatever, mix up with the system inside the tank, and then that will cause low, like combustion low. So magiging hilaw ang luto, no, sa combustion chamber. So yan lang po mga kaibigan, ang payo ko sa inyo, when you are about to do like in-city test, please drive your car 30 minutes to 1 hour before going to the in-city. And once you are in that in-city testing center, do not turn off the engine. Keep the engine running. Let the engine warm enough before the test, no? So keep the engine running, and that's it, to get the engine warm enough. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.